So before this, I was actually working in banking, but I think realizing how much potential there is of growth in tech, but also having a lot of fun in the process too, was a real attraction to me there. I think Wagon was the most welcoming, but it also had a real fundamental aspect of understanding to solve problems as well too, through collaboration. So I think for me, Wagon's really set the direction as to how I should approach my career in tech. So right now I'm working as a DevOps and software engineer. I spend half my time setting up continuous integration for software engineer teams, and the other half of my time is spent figuring out how can I build tools to help give my developers more productivity to work on the things that matter. Right now I'm just spending a lot of my time going through road cycling. I think from all the other occupations I've had in the past, never really had time to do all the things that I've really enjoyed.